And then how long have you been into? How long have you been to events like What is Afro?
Playing this is my first time because I usually like kind of play it where you play whatever you want to play.
And then how do they approach you?
It's a text message. Hey, Tanya, are you keen? Are you keen?
Okay,
Hello,
if
what's
the
the
man is
feeling?
good, everything is good.
Sometimes not paying, but that's the thing about the DJing industry. Sometimes it pays, sometimes it pays nicely, sometimes it doesn't pay. So even if it doesn't pay, if it makes sense to me, I take it and I prepare myself.
But you are in a position where you can negotiate your things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. At this stage, I am comfortable negotiating, and meeting the clients or the organizer halfway. Let's talk about it, So yeah, it works like that.
So in this DJing thing, in the next 3 years, where do you see yourself? Like it's
Okay,
nice,
3 years is a bit.
DJing.
Okay, 3 years is a bit kind of a very long time.
3 years.
Yeah. Okay, maybe
But
let's just
then
say
imagine, remember 2020, it feels like it's been yesterday. Now it's 2025.
in 3 years I should have played in deep in the city, even as an opener. Even if I open, I can do that. I can open for deep in the city, and I feel like as a DJ also, there's always an improvement. I also like have to like improve in some ways as well. So
Okay, maybe let me ask you this. As a DJ, your biggest aim is it to play at big stages or to just be relevant where the shoe fits?
no, bro, what is relevance? I want to play. I want to see myself growing. Obviously, I can't be. So for me, see this event we Afro. What is Afro? I mean, this is a
Yeah.
big event for me and
Is it
for
a
me.
tour?
Huh?
Is it a tour?
Is it at all?
Yeah, or it's just an event?
For me?
This one.
Oh, I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure about that. But for me, this one, I feel like this is growth for me. And yeah, from here we are going far.
Ish, I
And
don't know, man.
maybe my price is gonna go up a bit. Who knows?
I don't know, man. Like you somehow you kind of giving me an answer that I'm not looking for.
What are you looking for?
Like
Be specific.
I don't know how to be specific. Here's the thing.
Yeah.
Somebody's dream might be to play at Punye one day, but after playing at Punye, does it
What's
mean
next?
yeah? What's next? As a DJ, usually, how does it happen? Or you feel like, okay, I feel like now I've reached my peak, maybe where I can pick and choose, fight my battles in a manner where maybe
I think it depends the DJ. What do you want as a DJ? Me, I just want to keep on going, keep on playing, and keep on getting better, and keep getting better gigs. Because I can't be playing at a, I don't want to name places, but so actually, how I should put it. This is my first time playing outside of Johannesburg CBD. Not Johannesburg CBD. I've played in places like Roseburg, Bryanston,
yeah.
but it's my first time playing in Ekas. Do you get me? So for me, this is growth. Meaning, and this is a big event, man. What is Afro is a big event.
Yeah.
So it shows to me shows that this is there's
You
a
are getting
continuation.
recognized.
Yeah, there's a continuation, and yeah, I'm on the right way. Yeah.
So, would you rather be feared or loved?
Feared or loved? Why? Why should I be feared? Oh my gosh. My name is Love
I
Time, guys.
mean, don't just look at this
I
pretty.
represent love. Like, look at me.
Don't just look at this pretty face. Sometimes the face can deceive you. So,
I mean, I don't want to be feared.
I mean, don't you? Okay, how often do you get angry where you can't even recognize your face? When last?
Thing is about me, when I'm angry, I cry, I go to the bathroom, cry. It's all gone. Come back, I'm good.
So you're that type of person who bottle stuff in.
Yeah. I don't. It depends. Yes.
Like
Sometimes it takes me maybe like 5 days of me like just fighting whatever I'm fighting that had made me angry, and then I need to like calm myself, and I'm just gonna be quiet, for some time because I need to like kind of calm myself. And then when I come back and I'm ready to talk about whatever made me angry, I'm now calm. I'm not gonna be like sorry,
Well, don't you think somehow it kind of make you be selfish?
I mean,
Maybe to the next person.
that's what people say, that sometimes it's toxic,
So now there's a time where you just shut everybody out because you're
I'm
going.
a human being. I've got my own way of handling things, and yeah, I guess.
And then what happens if somebody who gotta play after you, somehow they kind of disrespecting your set?
Play after me,
Yeah.
dude. I never take it that way. Cause whatever you're gonna play, whoever DJ is gonna play after me, they're probably prepared for that set. They're not trying
I
to.
mean, okay, let's say usadlala.
Yeah.
Uyaqedelela manje.
Yeah.
Then someone uyafika yena ukhipha ama-USB ufaka wakhe.
Something similar to that has happened to me, and they didn't take off the USBs. They came to me and they're like, "Okay, now you died." I'm like, "Dude, you said my set is 1 hour 30 minutes, and now I'm like 40 minutes in. You're coming here and telling me that I'm done.
40 minutes in.
Yeah, and now you want me to?" I was like, "No, I'm here for like 1 hour 30 minutes." And also the whole event was like kind of Afro event, but then there were people who were playing like my piano, so kind of confused people. So I come in with like straight, Afro house.
Yeah.
So I don't know what went wrong, and then they're coming saying, "Hey, dude, you died." I'm like, "Nah,
You left the booth.
no, I'm here for 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm gonna finish my set, okay?" So I finished my
Shout
set.
out, yeah.
Finished my set. I was happy. Everything was like, guys, what the, they kind of apologized, but yeah, things like that happen. You just have to be strong enough to say no. Okay.
Was that a big artist?
No, it was just
Regular
it was not, man. But obviously he's a better DJ to me, I guess.
Just be honest. So,
No, it was not a big
Not that big.
no. But I mean, he's good at what he does.
I mean, at least you stood your ground.
Always have to.
It's the least you
You have to
could
be
do.
strong in this industry, I guess.
Unlike going and cry in the bathroom and stuff like
Nah, and I came out, chilled with friends, danced to the next DJ. I didn't even like, I want to leave. They just did this. I didn't do that. I was not a drama queen. I chilled, had some fun, danced, and then when we
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung